The waves roll gently, calling me near. The rhythm of Betka, so bright and clear. Golden sands and turquoise seas, a dance of joy in the coastal breeze. Small waves rise, then softly fall, whispering freedom, inviting us all. The tide pools glimmer alive with grace, hidden worlds in the watery space. The sun shines bold, the laughter flows. Each moment blooms as the sea wind blows. Above the cliffs, the trees stand still, silver and green on the rugged hill. The waves below keep time's refrain, a melody sweet that will always remain. Oh, Betka Beach, you set me free, dancing waves and the endless sea. In your arms the world feels right, Betka's magic day and night. Ba-ba-ba-ba, ba-ba-doo-ba-doo, ba-ba-dow, ba-ba-doo-ba-doo, ba-ba-ba-ba-dow. Guitar echoes softly, piano trickles in. We sway like seaweed, slow and thin. Moments drift but never part. Betka's rhythm stays in my heart. Oh, Betka Beach, you set me free. Betka's beauty. Come